How to change the oil and drain the gas. The video content is structured in 2 parts. You will need the following tools before starting. Drain the engine oil. Use a 10 mm wrench to loosen the drain bolt counterclockwise. Remove the oil drain bolt. Drain the engine oil into a container. Tilt the machine to fully drain the engine oil. After draining completely, reinstall the drain bolt. Ensure all parts are in place. Tighten the drain bolt clockwise. Oil draining is complete. Drain the gasoline. Use a 10 mm wrench to loosen the carburetor drain bolt counterclockwise. Remove the fuel drain bolt and drain the gasoline into a container. After draining completely, reinstall the carburetor bolt. Tighten the drain bolt clockwise. Gasoline draining is complete.